How to douche for feminine hygiene. Although douching was once a common practice, it has fallen out of popular use in recent years. Studies show that douching can cause bacterial infections and problems during pregnancy, making it a less than perfect cleaning method. If, however, your doctor has suggested that you douche, follow the steps below to do it correctly and safely. Knowing when to douche. Know that your body cleans out vaginal discharge, blood, and semen on its own. Many women douche in order to clean themselves after a period, rinse out vaginal discharge, or to clean out semen after sex. The great thing about the human body though, is that it is built to do these things on its own. The vagina cleans itself without douching, meaning that you don't have to refer to man-made soaps and rinses in order to keep your vagina in healthy, working condition. wh.performance.mark step 1_rendered. Douche at your doctor's suggestion. The last few years of studies have offered up important research that shows that douching can be more harmful than beneficial to your body. The vagina naturally cleans itself with its high acidity and natural mucus, which douching removes. As a result of douching, you are more likely to suffer from a yeast infection or other bacterial infection. Talk to your doctor before you decide to douche, and do so at their discretion. Don't douche to remove itching or burning sensations. Some women feel like they need to douche in order to get rid of itching or burning they feel near or inside their vagina. These are symptoms of an infection though, and douching simply covers them up. Rather than trying to wash away these symptoms, meet with your doctor and explain what you're experiencing. Don't douche to remove a strong odor. Although the vagina may have a very mild, constant odor, if you are experiencing a strong odor outside of your menstrual cycle, it is likely a symptom of a possible infection. Instead of trying to rinse out the odor, talk to your doctor and ask for their advice. They may or may not support the idea of douching, but it is best to go to them first rather than possibly making things worse. Don't douche in attempts to prevent STDs or pregnancy. Douching is not an alternative to a condom or other contraceptive, its primary goal is to clean the inside of the vagina. Therefore, don't douche in attempts to prevent an STD, STI or pregnancy after sex, as it will be ineffective. Wash the outside of your vagina as an alternative to douching. If you are concerned about keeping your vagina clean and odor-free in general, stick to washing the outside of your vagina instead. Use a mild soap and warm water in the shower or bath to remove any sweat or grime that might have built up on the exterior of your vagina, while your body does the work of cleaning the inside on its own.